Hey, everybody, this is Brother Roselle from the Fullerton Institute. This week at Institute, we're going to do things a little differently. We're getting together to do an activity that's going to build unity and deepen friendships. What's better for that than to build roller coasters? That's right. We're going to build mini roller coasters in teams, and there'll even be prizes for the winners. There's also going to be amusement park type food. We're going to have corn dogs and hot. We're going to have cotton candy. We're hoping to even have hot pretzels, and there'll probably be some popcorn along the way. So this week, 6:30 dinner at the Fullerton Institute, 7 the activity starts, and so come ready to create. And you may want to invite somebody to come along to the Institute. This is going to be a great opportunity just to get to know each other and to build friendships and to have some fun. And then to blast off on your roller coaster. Institute Wednesday. Take care.